Hey everyone! Gonna give you a quick update on the garden and how it's doing. So I brought everything out, um, out of the greenhouse for the most part. So I got some new additions. I have, let me get this out. This is, our peach tree. Hasn't bloomed yet. We put it in a big giant pot. And then I have a grafted apple tree. When they graft it, they take 3 different things. So 3 different apples. Here's the what's it called? The different kinds of apples on here. Oh, this is 4 apples. So 4 kinds of apples. And when they graft it, they take the limbs of 4 different apple trees and they fuse them together. You could Google it. It'll give you more detail on that. And then I also have a cherry tree which is blooming. So they're native to Japan and they like cold weather, and for the most part it's been cold. Well, cold for California anyways. And then I also am doing hydroponics, and these are the hydrotons. And what it does is it fills up and then it drains, and it drains into a reservoir down here. It's homemade. It's not exactly set up correctly or how we were wanting it. It's supposed to have a lid to keep algae and stuff from growing in it. Right now we just stuffed another bucket on top of it. There's actually, the water is in here, and it's on a timer, so every like 15-30 minutes it fills up and then drains. This does it too. This is an ebb and flow. This was actually given to us, which was awesome because we could never afford this. It's like a $300 hydroponic system. And you can also use soil. This is the soil that came with it. And right now we have strawberries. We just planted this tomato. We got some watermelon and green beans and a different type of tomato. I forgot which type it is. And then we saved this flower plant. It's well, here's the name. But for 50 cents we got the plant because it was dying, and now it's doing really well. I'm excited. Let's see, is that all that's in here? It's kind of a mess. We need to get everything situated. Trying to bring back my tomato. He didn't do so well. I think it was the cold. And then I lost one of my chocolate mints. The other one is trying to hang in there, but there's some little tiny white bugs that are eating it, so we're having a problem. I transplanted my spearmint into a better drain pot. It was starting not to do so hot either, but it's doing okay now. And I lost one of my pineapple mints. Here's the other one, and we're gonna try to do hydrotons instead of soil for a couple of reasons. One being, well, bugs, gnats. We're worried about diseases. I think something's killing it. So it likes lots of moisture, so I didn't think the soil was a problem or the lack of drainage. And then my chives, I don't know what's wrong with them. They don't stand up. They're supposed to. We're gonna try to grow some more. And then I actually have, believe it or not, corn growing. It's pretty awesome. And then we're also gonna grow some more watermelon and cucumber melon. The transplant didn't go over well. I think they got slightly damaged when we moved them. My boyfriend isn't exactly gentle. And we've already had one bell pepper grow off of this thing. You can see where we've had cut it off. It was pretty big, and it's growing another one. Excited about that too. And a new addition, this is an apple mint. Kind of just smells like spearmint. It's not like the chocolate mint or the pineapple mint, where it actually smells like, well, what they're called, pineapple and chocolate. I transplanted my fern thing. If you know what it is, So sorry, sunlight, shadows. Let me know, because there's two different kinds. One's actually a tree, and the other one's not. It's just it's a fern. But the way that it's growing and how freaking tall it is, I'm starting to think it's the tree one. But I'm not sure. And I'm trying to stand the poor guy up. I mean, he was originally in one of those blue pots way over those small. One of those pots. So those three items are now over here. So those were the two flowers on the side, and then this guy was in the middle. And I figured he needed more room, and I'm hoping if he grows better roots, he'll stand up on his own, but I'm trying to help him. I stuck a skewer in there and I tied him down, but I don't know. I need something bigger. And I got blueberries, so excited. They probably won't grow anything for like 2 years, but we'll see. And then my basil, it's doing all right. I got new flowers because I want to attract the bees and stuff, even though I'm allergic, but it's good for the other plants. I try to save this pineapple from my parents. I grew it. You cut off the top of a pineapple and you can actually grow another pineapple plant. The problem is, well, at my parents' house, my chickens got a hold of it and they dug it up. So he's kind of dying, but I think he's gonna survive. And I planted some more green beans. We have pole and bush green beans. I think these are the bush ones though. And we got garlic growing. It's going crazy. And then I planted some more basil and some other guys. I got dill and spinach. More strawberries. We're starting to get strawberries. My original pineapple plant. This one I actually bought, and it produced a little pineapple, which I do have a picture of, I think, on DA. Don't remember though. He's doing okay though. Bought some more flowers. I'm growing freesia, which is a flower. It's my favorite scent. It's also my mom's. And our rosemary's doing okay. And then I bought a cactus. He's really cool. He has purple flowers. I accidentally knocked it off though. And then I'm growing wheatgrass back there, and there's our thyme, which has also got infected with bugs. Poor thing. Those stupid little white bugs are everywhere. I used to spray, but we're gonna have to keep up with it. Here's my raspberry in a well-drained pot. Same with the blackberry. But I'm worried because I don't know if this is just natural color change due to it getting cold, or it's a fungus. Not sure. We were looking it up. We'll find out, I guess. We're planning to grow our green beans on the trellis here. And then over here in the window, which seems to be doing the best, is my greens. So it's mixed greens. There's like spinach and different types of lettuce, and yeah, so I'm excited about that as well. And then just more seedlings inside, which we haven't transplanted. Got catnip and chamomile, and here's the pole green bean. He's going crazy. Yeah, spinach, another tomato. So I'm excited. We'll see how this all goes, and I'll give you an update probably in a couple months, probably for spring, and then I'll let you know how everything's doing. Until then, see you next time.